This guided meditation is your companion on a sacred journey to align your mind, body, and soul through the transformative power of fasting. Whether you are at the beginning, middle, or nearing the end of your fast, this meditation will help you to unlock its full potential. Together, we will deepen your intention, visualize the purification and healing of your body, embrace the sacred emptiness fasting creates, and release any emotions. Take this moment of stillness to reflect, to let go, heal, and connect deeply with the divine energy within and around you. Let's begin. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in, feeling the air expand your chest and fill your lungs. Slowly release the breath, letting any tension or stress melt away with it. Bring your attention to your body, noticing where it touches the ground or the chair beneath you. Feel the support beneath you, anchoring you in this moment. Now take another deep breath, and as you exhale, imagine roots growing from your feet deep into the earth, grounding you in stability, strength, and peace. With each breath, feel the nurturing energy of the earth rising through those roots, filling you with calm and steadiness. Now, shift your awareness upward. Picture a radiant light above you, glowing with warmth and divine energy. Imagine this light gently flowing down, touching the crown of your head, and filling your entire being with its presence. Feel yourself deeply connected, grounded to the earth below, and lifted by the divine energy above. You are balanced, supported, and fully present in this sacred space. Shift your focus to your body, this incredible vessel that supports you every day. Imagine a warm golden light gently flowing through you, starting at the top of your head and moving slowly down to your toes. This light represents your body's natural healing process, a reflection of the purification happening during your fast. See this light cleansing every cell, flushing out toxins, renewing energy, and restoring balance. Visualize your cells regenerating, becoming healthier and stronger with each breath. Feel your body growing lighter, more vibrant, and full of vitality. Breathe deeply, embracing this renewal. Now that your body is cleansed and renewed, let's explore the sacred space fasting creates within. Bring your awareness to the space fasting creates within you, without the distractions of food or other attachments. There is a sacred emptiness This sacred emptiness is a fertile ground, a quiet space where divine wisdom can take root and self-discovery flourishes. With each inhale, welcome clarity, calm, and gratitude. With each exhale, release old patterns, cravings, or thoughts that no longer serve you. Feel yourself becoming more present and more attuned to the peace that resides within this sacred space. Trust that this emptiness is not a void, but a powerful invitation to deepen your spiritual connection and open your heart and mind to new possibilities. As you rest in this openness, you may notice emotions rising to the surface. Perhaps there's grief, anxiety, or frustration, or something else you've been holding on to. Take a few moments to see what comes up. Allow these feelings to come up without judgment. Take a deep breath in, acknowledging them with compassion. As you exhale, imagine these emotions being gently carried away, like leaves floating down a stream. Repeat silently to yourself, "I release what no longer serves me. I welcome healing, love, and peace." As these emotions rise and release, imagine them creating space for divine love and clarity to enter. You are now ready to align deeply with your purpose for this fast. Now gently turn your attention inward and ask yourself, why did you choose to fast? What is the deeper calling guiding this sacred journey? Is it a desire to grow spiritually, to release emotional burdens, or to find clarity and inner peace? Take a moment to reflect on your intention. Envision your intention as a radiant flame within your heart. With each breath, this flame grows brighter, illuminating your path and aligning you with your highest purpose. Let it fill your entire being with warmth, focus, and meaning. This intention is your anchor, keeping you steady as you navigate the challenges and insights of fasting. Now connect deeply with your highest self, the purest and most authentic version of you. Imagine this presence as a glowing light within, radiating wisdom, clarity, and inner peace. Feel its loving energy surrounding you, holding you in compassion and strength. Silently ask, what does my soul need to know right now to align with my intention? Pause and listen. Allow the answers to flow naturally, whether they come as words, images, or a gentle knowing. There is no right or wrong, only what your soul wishes to reveal to you in this moment. Feel the gentle support of this sacred presence within, reminding you that you are never alone. Your highest self is always here to guide and uplift you, carrying you closer to the transformation that you seek. Let this connection anchor you as you move forward, trusting in the wisdom and clarity you've received. Now bring your awareness to gratitude, the deep well of thankfulness that lies within you. Fasting is a gift, a sacred practice that opens doors to healing, clarity, and connection. In this moment, let us honor everything, large and small, that supports you on this journey. Place your hand over your heart and feel the steady rhythm of life within you. Thank your body for its strength, its resilience, for cleansing and renewing itself during this fast. Whisper silently, "Thank you, body, for all that you do." Shift your focus to your mind. Be grateful for its clarity, for releasing distractions and embracing growth. Silently affirm, "Thank you, mind, for guiding me towards understanding." Now turn to your soul, your truest essence. Thank it for leading you to this sacred practice and for seeking deeper connection and meaning. Whisper, "Thank you, soul, for illuminating my path." Expand your gratitude outwards to the water that nourishes you, the sunlight that warms you, and the stillness that allows reflection. Finally, thank the divine presence or universal energy that sustains and guides you. Feel your gratitude radiating outwards, connecting you to all things. Take a deep breath in, filling yourself with gratitude. And as you exhale, let it anchor you in peace, in strength, and purpose as you continue your fast. As we close this meditation, carry the light of gratitude within you, letting it guide and sustain you. Take a deep breath in, filling yourself with peace, and exhale slowly, grounding into the present moment. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, bringing this clarity and connection into your fast and your day. Thank you for allowing me to guide you on this journey. Namaste.